Welcome to Zack's World's Strongest Engines. Zacky, will you please tell us who is competing today?
Henry, Gordon, Neville, Celine, Birthday Thomas, Stanley, Freddie, Edward, Stephen, Maisie, Stephanie, First Person, Spencer, Leo, and Denny.
Okay, first round, who is playing?
Gordon and Henry. Can I go?
Yeah, gentlemen, ready to compete?
In the basket, in goes. Winner! Henry goes there. With Neville and Celine. They both have got Neville Henry down in first.
Who's fighting there?
Birthday Thomas and Thomas. Well, Birthday Thomas is winning. Stanley and Freddie. War. This is quite struggle, but and Freddie wins. That was quite a push over Edward and Stephen. I think that was Stephen who won. Who won? I don't know.
Well, you're the judge.
Yeah, I just think Stephanie. I just have to think Stephanie.
Okay.
Now, Percy and Betty. That is Percy who won. That is Percy who won. Percy wins. Percy wins. Hero and Devil who wins.
So next up is the quarterfinals. Who is first to compete?
Henry and Celine. Henry.
Henry's through to the semi-finals.
Birthday Thomas versus Freddie.
Who won?
Birthday Thomas.
Birthday Thomas is into the semi-finals.
Now it's Stephen and Stephanie. Now, Percy and Hero, who will win?
Semi-finals. Who's first? The first semi-final is against.
It's Henry versus Birthday Thomas. I don't know why Birthday Thomas is so strong. He's so strong. Nothing, no one can beat him. He's trying to the finals.
Mm-hmm.
When it is definitely your person who can get to him.
We shall see.
And Percy is going to the final.
The final is Percy versus Birthday Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go! And your winner is...
Birthday Thomas. Let me go and get the cup, please. Birthday Thomas won.
Thank you for watching Zack's World's Strongest Engines.